Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by importing pandas and loading your file. This gets you into the data pipeline quickly. Once done, call df head to see samples and df info to check dtypes and missing entries. This reveals structural issues early. Then parse dates during read and set a meaningful index to simplify later joins and resampling. Make sure to keep a small sample copy for experimentation so you can test transformations without risking the full dataset. You now clean and transform. First, decide how to treat missing values and apply df, filna or df, dropna, because downstream analysis depends on completeness. Next, aggregate with Group B and AG to compute meaningful summaries, and use transform when you need group-level features back on rows. Then reshape the table. Melt for long form, pivot table for cross-tabulation, and sort values before resetting the index for tidy output. Make sure to keep column types consistent to avoid silent errors later. You finalize by validating outputs. Run assertions on expected row counts, inspect df, sample, and check unique values and shapes to confirm transformations. Then export in the appropriate format, CSV for portability, Parquet for efficient storage, or to SQL for databases. If something goes wrong, first recheck dtypes and missing values, then verify merge keys and index alignment. These are the most common causes of unexpected results. Finally, rerun the pipeline on a small sample to confirm the fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.